Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to unfollow everyone on Threads application. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is, of course, install your Threads and then launch your Threads application. Go to your profile. This human icon or person icon here, you just have to tap that one. That is your profile. And then here below your name or username, you can see here 0 followers. Okay, you just have to tap that followers here and then click following. Now, all you have to do is just simply click the word following to unfollow someone on Threads, same as on Instagram. Remember that there is no button that you have to click in order to unfollow everyone on Threads application. You have to do it one by one. You have to tap this following to unfollow someone. Okay, so there is no other option that can unfollow everyone, or there's no button that can unfollow everyone you followed on Threads. But when you go to pending, you can see here all the pending, the follow, the people you follow, and they haven't installed the Threads yet, and you want to unfollow them before they create their Threads accounts. Actually, you can see an option below cancel all. Okay, so but right now you can see that because I haven't followed someone. Okay, so you just have to click cancel all. That's under pending. So here, as you can see, all I have to do here is to simply unfollow everyone. So you just have to click following. You have to do it one by one here. Okay, so you can follow them. You just have to click follow to follow them again. So that's how easy it is. Okay, so that's how you unfollow everyone on Threads. Also, again, under pending, you can see cancel all button. All you have to do is tap that one, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.